Preview. Ironman theme for Windows 10 and 11. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the Rainmeter from here. Navigate to the second link and download the Man Wallpaper from here. Now, go to the third link and download the Ageo Rainmeter skin. Navigate towards the fourth link and download Winstep Nexus dock from this website. Now, navigate to the last link and download this Fluent dock drive file. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now we have to extract all of the 3 files presented here, so, extract all of them one by one. Now, delete all of these. Now, go to the Start and open the Microsoft Store. Search for the Lively wallpaper. Now download and install it. I have downloaded it previously, so open the Lively wallpaper. Now, go to the Settings, and then System. Now select Clear from here. As you can see that your taskbar has become clear. You can select anything from here as per your choice. I will prefer this blur one. Now select this rain theme. Then go to the file location, open the wallpaper folder. Now go to the Downloads folder and copy the Man wallpaper. Navigate to the file location of Rain theme and paste it here. Now close it. Go to the Customize. Now select the Man wallpaper from here. Set these settings as shown. Make sure that Lightning and post-processing is turned on. Now close it. Right-click on the desktop and hide all the icons from your desktop. Again navigate to your Downloads folder. Now install the Nexus dock as shown. Now open the Fluent dock folder and copy it. Then, go to the local disk C and paste it here. Click on Nexus. Now go to Advanced, then Restore. Now browse to the local disk C. Open the Dock Icons folder. Now select this WS backup file and click on Apply. Now we have the layout of the dock and we will put the icons in it, so right-click on the icon, go to Properties, then Change Icon, and now browse to Local Disk C. Fluent dock icons. Now select the icon from here. Now I have changed all the icons, so it's looking pretty good. Go to the Downloads folder for the last time. Open the Ageo Rainmeter skin folder. Now install it. Untick the Apply Included layout. Now go to the tray icons and open the Rainmeter from here. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins shown in video. You can resize the skin by scrolling your mouse cursor. Place all the skins as shown on the video. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.